Compressors running in the background. Just bear with me, lads. There you go. See the quieter. Put a lot of cotton wool in behind it. And the boom itself. Tail boom. Quieten the motors down a bit. The tail motor is still a wee bit noisy, but unfortunately I can't do nothing with that. Just turn her off. Get the switch, there you go. That's her off. And then with the lights on, it shows the lights on. As I said in the previous videos, the camera is exaggerating the SMDs, but in person they're not as bright as what you see on camera. So I'm not just there you go.